Ever spent hours debugging RTL layouts or chasing inconsistent translations across 15 language files? The Internationalization Pack crushes those pain points with automated locale detection using browser headers and geolocation APIs, centralized translation management via JSON schema validation, responsive RTL CSS utilities with logical property mapping, and regional formatting libraries for datefns and numeral.js integrations. We've all been there, crying into our Sass mixins while trying to align Arabic text. This pack's for React Vue developers, SaaS product teams, and enterprise app architects building global first interfaces. Ditch the patchwork solutions. Your users deserve better than WIP localization. Here's what's inside the Internationalization Pack. First, locale detection with fallback chains and accept language parsing. Then, translation memory integration using TMX standards with web translated compatibility. RTL layout tools include CSS logical properties and mirrorable Flexbox utilities. Our regional formatting modules handle ICU message syntax and Moment.js localization. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your global readiness blueprint. Installing the Internationalization Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add internationalization-pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: locale detection engine, translation API connectors, RTL component libraries, and formatting presets, all pre-configured with ESLint I18N rules and prettier plugins. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to handle pluralization rules for Slavic languages and currency conversion edge cases. No PhD in Unicode required. Just ship global ready apps faster than you can say localization debt.